Welcome back to the revision video lecture part 2 from the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. In the first video lecture, I completed the summary of this poem with complete explanation. I gave you the theme, the detail of each stanza and the moral of the poem. Now let's proceed further with the important questions, objective questions which will help you for your online exam. Let's deal with those questions. A Tiger in the Zoo, written by Leslie Norris. Which animal has stripes and velvet pads? The answer is tiger. Why does he move only a few steps? It is because of. The answer, children, will be cage. Pick out the word from the poem that means the same as clear. The correct answer is vivid. Who has written the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? The answer is Leslie Norris. The tiger is passing through dash. The answer is the tiger is passing through grass. For whom is tiger waiting near the water hole? The answer will be, children, the tiger is waiting near the water hole for the fat deer. He should be lurking in shadow. Who is he here? He is none other than but the tiger. Find the word from the from the poem, which means the same as pacing. The answer will be stalking. The tiger should be lurking in shadow to stalk the dash. The answer will be the tiger should be lurking in shadow to stalk the deer. Where is the tiger now? The tiger now is in the zoo. The tiger is sliding through long dash. The answer will be the tiger is sliding through long grass. He should be snarling at the dash edge. He should be snarling at the jungle's edge. White fangs shows the dash of the animal. The answer will be white fangs shows the white pointed teeth of the animal. Where is the tiger snarling? The tiger is snarling at the jungle's edge. Who is locked in a concrete cell? A tiger is locked in a concrete cell. The tiger is ignoring visitors because he is dash angry. The tiger is ignoring visitors because he is dash. The answer will be, children, the tiger is ignoring visitors because he is angry. The cell is made up of what? Answer will be concrete. The tiger in the cage dash the visitors. The answer will be the tiger in the cage ignore the visitors because he could see very well that none of the visitors were trying any attempt to bring him out of the cage. Now, here are some of the self-assessment questions before you, children, which you can practice orally after going through the revision video lecture. Who hears the last voice at night? The last voice that he hears is that of what? At what does he stare with his brilliant eyes? What message does the poem convey? Kindly find out these answers, children. Hope you understood the content. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.